There are a lot of ulcer patients with this kind of mindset. Majority of them think that when they go to the hospital with complaints of their ulcer being exacerbated or worsened, and we prescribe medications like proton pump inhibitors, the antacids, they think that that is the cure to the ulcer. No, that is not the cure to the ulcer. The medication is being prescribed to you to reduce the severity of the ulcer you are experiencing. Lifestyle is the ideal management for ulcer. Now, let us look at these lifestyle modalities that will go a long way to help you with your ulcer. The first one is avoid intake of NSAIDs. There are majority of people, when they start experiencing abdominal pains, the first thing they will resort to is painkillers, and predominantly NSAIDs like ibuprofen, diclofenac, naproxen, and all these kind of NSAIDs like. So once you resort to NSAIDs, they have the ability to cause thinning of the stomach mucous lining. It acts as a barrier, preventing the gastric juice from dissolving or wearing off the stomach lining. However, the more you take NSAIDs, it reduces the production of mucus, which builds up the barrier of the stomach lining. So that indirectly it will worsen the ulcer you are experiencing. The second lifestyle modality that you need to take it very, very serious is prolonged fasting. Fasting itself does not cause ulcer. However, if you have ulcer already, fasting can worsen the ulcer. This is because the more you fast, the more your stomach continue to produce an acid which is called gastric juice. And this gastric juice tends to corrode or cause irritation in the stomach lining. So since there is no food in your stomach, the gastric juice will intend to dissolve the ulcer, the ulceration in the stomach lining, and that will worsen your ulcer. So if you know that you have ulcer, you shouldn't go on a very long duration of fast, because the moment you do that, you will cause irritation in your stomach lining. The third thing you should have it in mind is that you should avoid intake of spicy food. There are a lot of people who have ulcer that they still taking this kind of spicy food, like pepper. Food contain a lot of pepper and those kind of spices in their food. Once you do that, it can worsen the ulcer you're experiencing. Because let's say you have a cut outside your body and we put in pepper. What the pepper can do to you concerning the wound, that is the same thing that will happen inside your stomach. Because in your stomach there is a wound, and when you're taking a lot of pepper or spices, it will affect the wound, and that will worsen the ulcer. The fourth thing we should have it in mind is that if you are one kind of person who takes in alcohol, it is important to reduce it or stop the intake of alcohol, because alcohol worsens ulcer. Yes, alcohol worsens ulcer. Now, one thing that is in the same space as alcohol is methylated spirit, the kind of drug or medicine that is being used for wound dressing and those kind of things. Now, if you have a cut and we pour methylated spirits on the cut, what will happen? You will experience intense pain at the site. So imagine you taking alcohol if you have ulcer in your stomach. You will cause intense pain. So just as the methylated spirit causes an intense pain when it's being poured on a fresh wound, the same thing will happen if you take in alcohol consistently. It will worsen your ulcer. The next thing I will say is that you should avoid or reduce the intake of citrus fruits like orange, lime, lemon, and those kind of fruits. They intend to contain ascorbic acid, which is an acidic content. So once you take into the body, it can worsen your ulcer. I hope you understand. Also, you should control your stress level. If you are one kind of person who is always stressed out, your entire day, you are always stressed out, that also causes release of certain stress hormones, and these stress hormones can cause exacerbation of your ulcer. So you should also control your stress level. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I remain Ulcer Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. Thank you.